The Income Tax Department on Saturday morning conducted searches at the Mao residence of Samajwadi Party National Secretary Rajiv Rai, a close aide of party chief Akhilesh Yadav. "I have no criminal background or black money. I helped people and the government didn't like it. This is a result of that," Rai told news agency ANI. The residences of two other aides of Yadav were also searched this morning. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav said that the IT department raids at the residences of his close aides on Saturday were the result of the ruling BJP fearing defeat in the upcoming polls. India on Saturday successfully test-fired the Agni Prime missile off the coast of Odisha in Balasore, government officials said. Agni P is a new generation advanced variant of Agni class of missiles. It is a canisterized missile with range capability between 1,000 and 2,000 kilometers. An ANI report said that a lot of new features have been added to the nuclear-capable strategic missile Agni Prime during this test. The border dispute between Karnataka and Maharashtra touched its latest flashpoint after a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji in Bengaluru was smeared with ink on Wednesday night. Pro-Maharashtra activists staged a protest last night at Sambhaji Circle in Belagavi, demanding arrest of those involved in the smearing of Shivaji's statue with ink. The protests turned violent and over a dozen government vehicles were damaged in stone pelting. Large gatherings have now been banned in the region as tensions simmer. Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Gurnam Singh Chaduni launched his political outfit called Sanyukt Sangharsh Party on Saturday. In a press conference today, Chaduni said that the party plans to contest in all the 117 seats in the upcoming polls in Punjab. He, however, clarified that he wouldn't contest the elections from Punjab. Parts of North India witnessed severe cold wave conditions on Friday, with temperatures in some regions dropping below the freezing point. The India Meteorological Department has issued a cold wave warning for many parts of Rajasthan. It said the minimum temperature in most districts had dipped below 5 degrees Celsius, with the state capital Jaipur recording 4.9 degrees Celsius last night. The minimum temperature dropped to minus 3.3 degrees Celsius in Fatehpur in Sikar, while it was minus 1.1 degrees Celsius in neighbouring Churu.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.